the world of luxury performance cars, there are few names that evoke as much respect and fascination as Mercedes-Benz, and the 2026 Mercedes-AMG SL 63 is a shining testament to that legacy. This machine is more than just a roadster, it's a statement of power, elegance, and advanced engineering merged into one breathtaking creation. FH Auto Reviews brings you an in-depth look into this masterpiece, exploring its every detail, from design and performance to the technology that defines its commanding presence on the road. The 2026 AMG SL 63 continues the lineage of the iconic SL class but with a redefined vision, crafted entirely by Mercedes-AMG, ensuring that every inch of the car reflects the spirit of performance and luxury. The model you see here, in a deep metallic burgundy tone, radiates class and modern sportiness. The shimmering finish, under light, reveals a dynamic interplay between its curves and sculpted surfaces, showing just how meticulously the bodywork has been designed. The rear exudes aggression with wide haunches, LED taillights, and a powerful diffuser flanked by quad exhaust pipes, a visual promise of the performance waiting beneath the hood. Step to the front, and you're greeted by an AMG-specific grille that proudly displays the Mercedes star, flanked by sharp digital LED headlights. The lower fascia integrates large air intakes that don't just look bold but serve aerodynamic and cooling functions, channeling air precisely to optimize performance. The long, sleek hood adds to the car's grand tourer charm, while the overall proportions balance athleticism and elegance perfectly. This 2026 version carries forward the DNA of the SL lineage but now infuses it with contemporary design language that speaks to both speed and sophistication. Under that sculpted hood lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, hand-built by AMG, delivering a thrilling 577 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Mated to a 9-speed AMG SpeedShift automatic transmission, this powerhouse accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.5 seconds. The all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip and confidence, making every corner and straightaway an exhilarating experience. The AMG Performance 4 Monstrous Plus technology intelligently distributes power between the front and rear wheels, ensuring dynamic balance and precision at every turn. The sound of the exhaust, a symphony of power and refinement, adapts with the drive mode, quietly smooth in comfort mode, but roaring with authority in Sport Plus and race settings. The chassis is built using a mix of aluminum, magnesium, and carbon fiber, contributing to weight reduction while maintaining rigidity. The new active ride control suspension replaces traditional anti-roll bars with hydraulic systems that adapt in real time to the road surface, providing both comfort and razor-sharp handling. Whether you're cruising along a scenic coastal route or pushing limits on a racetrack, the SL63 adjusts seamlessly to deliver the perfect balance between grand touring serenity and supercar excitement. Inside, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG SL63 feels like entering a high-performance lounge designed for the modern driver. The cabin combines luxury materials with cutting-edge technology. Soft Nappa leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber accents blend seamlessly across the dashboard and center console. The MBUX infotainment system, featuring a large adjustable central touchscreen, is intuitively angled toward the driver. It offers everything from navigation to AMG performance data in crystal-clear graphics. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays that reflect different driving moods, while ambient lighting creates a serene, futuristic aura within the cockpit. The seats are another marvel of engineering, combining comfort and support with AMG-specific bolstering. They are ventilated, heated, and equipped with massage functions, ensuring every drive feels like an indulgent experience. The Burmester 3D surround sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, wrapping passengers in pristine audio clarity. Even with its athletic nature, the SL63 doesn't compromise on comfort. It's a car equally at home on long-distance journeys as it is on twisting mountain roads. One of the highlights of this model is its retractable soft top, which can be raised or lowered in just around 15 seconds, even while driving at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. This design choice not only saves weight but also maintains the car's sleek profile when the top is down. The system is engineered to minimize wind noise, ensuring open-air driving remains smooth and quiet. With the top down, the deep metallic burgundy paint gleams under natural light, emphasizing the car's sculptural beauty from every angle. Safety and technology have always been at the heart of Mercedes engineering, and the 2026 SL63 continues that tradition with an array of intelligent systems. Features include adaptive cruise control, active lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and the advanced pre-safe technology that anticipates potential collisions to prepare the vehicle and its occupants. The car's camera and radar systems constantly monitor the environment, providing real-time assistance to the driver without ever feeling intrusive. Driving the SL63 feels like an orchestration of mechanical brilliance and emotional connection. Each throttle press, each steering movement, feels refined yet visceral. The car reacts to the driver's intent with precision, offering feedback that is both confident and thrilling. It's a vehicle that doesn't just transport you, it engages you, reminding you of what true driving pleasure feels like. With its perfect harmony of performance, comfort, and design, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG SL63 stands as one of the most complete luxury sports cars of its generation. It's not just a symbol of engineering excellence but also a showcase of craftsmanship, artistry, and emotion. Every detail has been perfected to ensure that the driver feels both exhilarated and pampered, whether cruising city streets or carving through open highways. At FH Auto Reviews, our passion lies in bringing you closer to automotive perfection through detailed reviews, honest insights, and high-quality visuals that let you experience the car before you even sit in it. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes-AMG SL63, make sure to stay connected for more exclusive reviews, upcoming model analyses, and behind-the-wheel experiences that capture the essence of automotive innovation. Subscribe to FH Auto Reviews, and join a community that celebrates cars not just as machines, but as masterpieces of motion and design.